Good morning students, welcome to my channel Learning with Kapil Dev. Today we learn about preposition. Preposition is a combination of two words. Pre, that means before, position, that means placement. It is used before a noun or pronoun. This is called object of the preposition. So preposition is combination of two words, pre plus position, and it is used connect with the rest part of the sentence. Preposition. So the definition of preposition: a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with another part of the sentence. Just like, for example, he puts his book on the table. Now, in this sentence, on is a preposition. It is used before a noun, table. It is so the place of a book. So in this sentence, second one, he is in the room. Room is a noun, in is a preposition. Now it is used before a noun, so in this sentence, in is a preposition. Types of preposition: on the basis of construction or structure, on the basis of usage and function. First one, on the basis of construction, prepositions are divided into 5 categories. First one, simple preposition. Second one, double preposition. Third one is compound preposition. Fourth one is participle preposition, and fifth one is phrase preposition. According to the function, prepositions are categorized into the following types. First one, preposition of time. Second one, preposition of place. Third one, preposition of moment. Fourth one, preposition of direction. Fifth one is preposition for agency. Sixth one, preposition of instrument. Seventh one, preposition of region. Eighth one, preposition of origin. Ninth one, preposition of purpose. Tenth, preposition of price, and last one, appropriate preposition. According to the parts of preposition, first one is simple preposition. A simple preposition consists of only one word. For example, in, on, to, of, for, with, at, by, etc. Simple preposition consists only of one word, just like in, on, to. For example, he was studying at the hotel. He was studying at the hotel. At is a simple preposition. It is indicated the placement of studying. They came from Agra. They came from Agra. Here Agra is noun, and before the used word from is a simple preposition. Second one, double preposition. Double preposition is a combination of two simple prepositions. Double preposition is a combination of two simple prepositions. Just that, into, in plus to is the combination of, is called into. When we mix up the two simple preposition, in plus to is he jumped into the well. He jumped into the well. Here into is a double preposition. The well is a noun. Within, with a simple preposition, in a simple preposition, the combination of both is within, and it is called double preposition. he return he will return he will return within a week. He will return within a week. Up, on. Upon is the combination of two simple preposition up plus on. For example, stand upon the chair. Stand upon the chair. Chair is a noun and before it used upon. Third one is compound preposition. Compound prepositions are the formed by the prefixing a preposition of a noun, an adjective, or an adverb, such that beside, along, behind, across, before, about, around, etc. Compound prepositions are the formed by the prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective, or adverb. There are several trees around my college. My college is a noun and around is a compound preposition. There is a bridge across the river. River is a noun and before use word across is a compound preposition. The house is beyond the hill. Number 4 one participle preposition. When a participle is used as a preposition before a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is known as participle preposition. For example, a participle preposition is a verb ending with ing and ed that function are a preposition in a sentence. Students, participle is prepared with the helping of using ing and ed, such that considering, regarding, during, pending, following, including, respected, provided, etc. Participle considering the quality, the price is cheap. In this sentence, the quality is a noun and using the preposition considering during the war everything was costly. In this sentence, during is a participle preposition. Fifth one is phrase preposition. prepositional phrase बोल देते हैं जिसको. Phrase prepositions are the group of words that act as a single preposition. A phrase preposition is a phrase containing a preposition and a functions as a preposition in a sentence and connects the noun, pronoun, or other phrase to the other words in a sentence. Repeat it again. A preposition plus an object modifier plus object, such that, for example, on account of, in the end, in any case, for the purpose of, for the sake of, with a view to, at the home, in the time. Firstly, we need to understand the phrase. Phrase is the combination of words which has not a finite verb is called a phrase. So phrasal verb, the group of words, in spite of many efforts he failed. In spite, in this sentence, in spite is the phrasal preposition. They stayed together for the sake of their job. For the sake of is the phrasal preposition. I could not attend the class because of fever. Because of, in this sentence, because of are the phrasal preposition because it is used before the noun fever. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.